Working for fish is the best decision I've ever made. My name is Clayton, and I've been working for fish since 2009. Didn't really have a serious career before fish. I worked at a gym and did that in the evenings, and I cleaned windows during the summertime in between school semesters. I ended up liking it and liking the schedule, and no nights, no weekends kept me around after college. Nobody needs experience. The training that they provide us is awesome. Anybody can come out being a window cleaner after the 2-week training that they give us.
Before I started working here, I didn't really have a clue on how to clean windows. Like, just getting the spray bottle with a napkin doesn't really do the job. But it turns out it's pretty easy to learn.
It's very flexible. I mean, most fish franchise out there, you have options. You can go get more work once you're done, or you can just go home and enjoy the rest of your day. I have another job. You know, I'm a bartender, and this works out perfectly for me.
And I take night classes 2 days a week. It really frees up enough time so I can work on my schooling.
I have a lot of pride in my work because I'm able to clean up the storefront. That's the first impression you see at a location, and it's awesome because I'm a big part of that. I typically get to the office first thing in the morning. The manager will give me my workload for the day, whatever my quota is. When I get done with the work that I have provided for me, I can go out and do sales if I want to. There's tons of opportunities to make more money.
What made you want to start working for fish?
A friend of mine told me about fish, and I applied. I got hired. Didn't need a college degree or anything like that, and they trained me on everything I needed to know.
It's definitely a nice, financially stable job that doesn't require much experience.
The more money I can make.
Perfect, except performance instead of commission.
Oh, gosh. What is it? A bittery, flaky crust. Buttery, flaky crust. Buttery, flaky crust.
Before I was completely clueless. I had no idea how to even hold a squeegee. But after training everything, I feel like I'm the Michael Jordan of window cleaning. A window cleaning prodigy or something. I feel like I'm the wizard of window cleaning.
Buttery, flaky crust.
We just ask him, you know, like, what are you doing tonight or something? I don't know.
I'm going home to my wife.
You guys can cut that part out if you want.